Like what, 30 minutes?
Yeah.
And I do shit and
Yeah.
whatever, man.
Are you live?
Yeah.
Do you want me to be live or you want me to be
just
recording?
I want you to do the video. I mean, it's gonna take half an hour to review. There's so many, I don't know, man. There's so many levels to it. Like I understand, like they want to, it's like, oh, we reinstalled them. Oh, God, we caught it in time. Like it's like, well.
But also, like, what would happen if they didn't?
Right. What if someone didn't post that? You didn't rush over here. That person didn't hit this. They got the whole row.
They would have thrown it away.
They would have thrown them all. Like they got out of here, went to the dumpster. Oh man, dude, we're so sorry. We got to call the dumpster and catch it. Like, oh.
They're lucky, man. Because if I mean, it would have been we could have made national news, you know.
I just don't understand, man. Like, I understand why that's the response. Like, if there's this scenario going on, you think they popped up overnight, and people grown all those nails, and there's fucking 12 of them, so it's like, the people, I don't like, it's not, oh, it's, you know, bang, like, fuck, like.
And this is the most pressing matter they have to deal with. Like, not all the trash in the park.
So that's what I said. I'm like, so how many like bodies in public parks are found by joggers and dog walkers? Like, find the bodies.
Yeah, like,
find the bodies.
This is much more important. No, this is the Rangers. Rangers did this. They're different than the Department of Police. And he wasn't part of it. He's just helping install.
Yeah, he was that guy. Yeah.
Like, also, I had to take 3.5 hours out of my day to
Come down here and
come
do
and
this.
babysit. So, are they going to compensate me for that?
It's just like, and it's like, oh, well, we're sorry that we didn't put the permit. Like, how did you not do the permit?
But they didn't even apologize.
Right.
It's like
2 days in, like,
just they don't care, man.
you have to reinstall them. You have to rebuild all. You have to rebuild these cars. I just not like. Moving it back here is not. It's not part of the conversation. It's a separate issue.
Yeah, that's.
I'm posting videos. I don't like. That phase, that neighbor post, like update, like they stopped and they're reinstalling it right now. It's like, yeah, but like what?
Just the fact that this happened. It's like we didn't install for another 2.5 weeks after we got approval. We had to get a day in the rain. It's like you had plenty of time.
Right, it took a month to do it. Like,
I just completely. She said, "Oh, well, these things happen." It's like, come on, man.
how many 12 public art install murals have you had installed? Like, you have, coming up, like, it's a 3-week thing where it's like, you have it, like you already have dates set that's already going to be installed, so it's like, how is that the excuse that, oh, we put it in it?
Dude, you know how many people were attached to that email too? Right. There had to be like 15 people in the department.
Right. That's not like so you came here and you installed these buses. How do you install these?
So I had all the lumber pre-cut.
We just laid everything out. And
we dropped them off, couple the legs, and attached them to it and popped them out. I was going to come back and beef them up a little bit, but now we have to do. Because like 2 of them, the 2x4s are above the.
Right.
It's not as easy to fix. I can just turn my circular saw and lop the tops off, but it's like, dude, now we have to do all this extra work.
Right.
There's a bunch of nail nails sticking out on.
Yeah, she got to come. It's another thing. Like to me, like it's like if you had to pick any of them, you have to. I've done all those projects, so it's like paint matching, color matching. Some of these are all custom colored. Like, so it's like, how do you go back to? How do I go back and buy another can of paint that's that color that like it was? You know, like it's just.
About what?
I don't know, like
Like in what regard?
Have this solution. They gotta don't understand how this could happen.
I mean, it could be a lot of things. It could just be like, I mean, if you want my personal opinion, I can't imagine these park rangers would want to do this work twice. So I'm assuming that there's probably some issue with like how procedure works in that department entirely. Like that there is no. So that's my assumption. 'Cause I can't imagine somebody would want it.
Wait for a month.
Yeah, I can't imagine somebody would want it. I mean, I'm assuming it was work to rip them all off. I mean, work to get them in a truck. You spent gas in down there, like, and then you have to assemble them all again. That seems like a lot of bullshit work. So I can't imagine they would want to do this. I think it's just. I think the person you really need to be mad at is the person who didn't push the permit through.
Right, the director at the park.
Right, and then their boss as well, who doesn't have a procedure for them when they find these public installs and what to do when they do that. Because there should be a procedure. Oh, you call this person, then you call this person, then you call this person, then you take it down. It shouldn't just be you find it, rip it down, and then we'll deal with it afterwards. Because it seems like it's bullshit for them too. Have to do the job twice.
I just take pictures and do a walk, and do a video walk. Like that's the thing is like that's the other thing is that we have great pictures from like 4 photographers of every mural being put up exactly as it's supposed to be. The artwork, no scratches, no damages, no wood overhanging. And what are you gonna say is that we put them back up? Isn't that what all you wanted? Like all you wanted was the art up, right? Like it's like bro, this took a month and a half. Yeah, like. What happens is like all the people see this in the wrong way. Like I should have posted on Patterson Park Rangers. Oh look, we installed these 12 and come check them out because now it's the park rangers took them down. Look at all this mystery and all this like conversation and shit. And like it's just all of a sudden people can say like, oh, I don't think they should be up. Like I don't want to take them down. It's like. What up, Amy? Let's keep on live. Amy and our the amazing drone dude.
What?
I installed these myself. I did it.
I know you can do it by yourself.
It's almost just like pay me and let me do it.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? This is a lovely, lovely morning in Baltimore.
Hey, you should tell them what's happening.
No, it's pinned. It says, watching the Rangers reinstall the mural boards they just destroyed.
Oh, shit. I know nothing about that. I'm an idiot.
Well, I just wanted to record it so that we can watch it later. How slow they did. I mean, what? I gotta have battery for the entire day for them to do one board. And then stacked on top of each other, so there's scratches on them. They have like they have drill holes in all of them pretty much. So like it's not as simple as just like putting them back up. Like, oh look, they're back up. Like that's easy and done with. Like they got 2 park rangers doing it right now they're not carpenters. They didn't spend the time that a professional contractor did. It's just like this is ridiculous. Like orders or not, like let's destroy the artwork that just came up 24 hours ago because we can't figure out our logistics.
Also, why is this guy coughing not wearing a mask?
Yeah, he's probably wearing a fucking mask, though.
Give us
I mean, taken down was break the joints on them, throw them into a van, and then head to the dump. That was them taking them down.
Before
not
checking,
calling somebody.
right.
We're talking about 12 8-foot by 4-foot murals, professionally installed with what? 2-foot nails?
Yeah.
2-foot galvanized nails hammered in. These guys taking 30 minutes to put one back up, and they destroyed 5 in what, an hour? People wondering, like, oh, like, why is this a big deal? Oh, they put them back. What the fuck? Like, here's a beautiful picture right there. There's these Rangers. Joe, get a good picture of this. Get a good picture of this.
Because we don't have 2 videos to take stills from, babe.
Yeah.
In some history book, they're going to rewrite this as the Rangers helped you put this up.
Yeah, right? Rangers made a mistake. They're sorry. Yeah, I'm saving the video. I just wanted it up for 24 hours. Shannon's taking a horizontal still video. Oh, sorry. Yeah, Shannon's up with me. She's taking a horizontal video just for us to have. I mean, we got here when they were putting back up J-Laws. Yeah, J-Laws, yours is up. Yours didn't. I'm not gonna walk through if you guys want to see it. I'm gonna walk through because Shannon's here. I mean, yeah, J-Law, yours is good. You here, J-Law?
Yeah, going back up. It'll be up for your 48. Bring it down. Raise it up, get on it. Raise it up, get on it like it's the pack. Okay. You want to raise it up?
Why do I feel like this procedure is so much different than yours was?
What is that?
So why do I feel like this procedure is so much different than yours was?
I mean, they all should be the same size, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't know why they're having.
I don't know why they're like cutting wood and like having a tough time. I don't know.
Same with yours is good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, yours didn't. Yeah, they only got 4 touch or 5?
5.
5. Yeah, they only got 5 touch. Jasmine, Patnado, J-Law, and then Saba. Oh, and there's one more. Oh shit. It's on the bottom? Oh, fuck me. Oh, that's Amanda Mustard? Yeah. Oh, that's bad, dude. That's real bad. That's one of the 2 pound, man. We're gonna put some Andy's on this stuff. Andy has it right now.
Right there. Come back a little bit. Right there.
Oh man, and that's on the bottom too. Like, and that's the most that's probably one of the more delicate ones. Like, not to say like eat any medium. It's just.
Hold for a second so I can tie this around my leg.
Of course. Yours is all good, Jess. We're doing Sabas right now, and then Amanda Mustard's is the last one they got to reinstall. And Amanda Mustard's I'm really worried about because it's on the bottom of everybody else's. I'm eating my own beard. Oh.
You shouldn't get your hair cut and have it all go in your mouth.
I do need a haircut.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, so all of us that are joining, the 5 murals that got picked up, Jasmine Gaming, Patnado, J-Laws, Made by Saba, and Amanda Mustard. And we're just waiting for them to reinstall, and then they're going to probably go back and reinstall Jasmine's because they did a terrible job.
They should.
Makes most sense to me. Yo, what's good? It's very satisfying.
Get a better angle. Zoom in a little, maybe.
A little bit. And these 2 lovely Rangers are the 2 that knocked them down. Or that I know, or had orders to. Or
no, they just.
Or you know, they happened to have do their patrols and they happened to see them, and then they had to knock them down. God forbid there ever be any public art or any positive imagery in Patterson Park.
Or that they
months.
Or that they take a phone call to check to see if there's a permit on it.
Yeah, I mean, like, I wish they would have made any call on a Friday during business day, or they followed up on anything. So it's going to be up for 3 weeks. So whatever excuse they have for the permit to get posted, or I don't know, every fucking email had 10 people on it, and I don't know. Every boss probably knows.
Throw wood at the paint.
It's lunchtime too. I mean, this has been really difficult. 15 minutes, 18 minutes.
19, babe, 19. I feel like I need to sit down.
I don't know, just take that time. Come back. Reassess situation. You know? Put on the mask. Oh man, we get to do the last one, and the last one's gonna be the. Oh man.
Are you gonna record that one?
Yeah.
I wanna.
Do you want me to keep recording?
No, I don't have to.
No.
Just cut that video.